Due to fasting, Janki's weakened face was continuously flowing with tears. When there is a lot of suffering, one can only manage and endure this suffering through sadhana. Siyavar Ramachandra ki Jai. In today's edition of Manas for Manush, we will go through the Sundarkanda Doha number 7, Chaupai number 4 and Doha number 8, through which we will observe the condition in which Bajrangbali found Sita Mata in Ashok Vatika. Dekh manah mahu keen pranama, बैठ ही बीत जात निस जामा, कृसतन शीस जटा एक बेनी, जपहि हृदय रघुपति गुण श्रेणी। दोहा। निज पद नयन दिए मन, राम पद कमल ली, परम दुखी भा पवन सुत, देख जान की दी। Some scholars say that contrary to popular belief, Sita ji did not face any hardship in Lanka. She was kept in Ashok Vatika by Ravan, where she had all the comforts and amenities. There were only female guards for her service and protection, and Ravan never even touched her. He had brought her as captive only so that Sri Ram would reach him to free her from captivity. And then he could take his revenge on Sri Ram. However, those scholars may have forgotten that according to Maharshi Valmiki, Ravan repeatedly came to meet Sita ji in Ashok Vatika to threaten and put pressure on her. Some scholars even say that the reason Ravan did not touch Sita ji was not his adherence to dharma, but rather Sita ji's power of chastity. Ravan was afraid that if he attempted to touch Janakanandini without her consent, he would be burned to ashes due to her virtue. Whatever the reason may be, the truth remains that Sita ji was captured by an enemy who wanted to incite and invite Sri Ram in order to kill him. In such a situation, how could the proud princess, bound by captivity, remain happy? And when Hanumanji saw her, it became clear how distressed her mental state was. Goswami ji says, Dekh manahi mahu keen pranama, बैठहि बीत जात निस जामा, कृसतन शीस जटा एक बेनी, जपति हृदय रघुपति गुण श्रेणी. Seeing Mata Sita, Hanuman greeted her in his heart. Days and nights used to pass while she just kept sitting there. She remains seated in the pain of that foundation, and day after day, night after night just pass by. Her body has become weak from enduring the pain, and due to a lack of attention, a knot has formed on her head resembling a small bun. She constantly chanted the virtues of Raghupati Sri Ram. The description of Janakanandani's sorrow can also be found in Valmiki Ramayana, Sarg 15, Shlok 23. Ashrupurna mukhim deenam, krisham anshanena cha, shok dhyan param deenam, nityam dukh parayanam. Due to fasting, Janki's weakened face was continuously flowing with tears. She was always deep in grief and contemplation and looked filled with sorrow. When a person cannot see any end to their suffering, only a thread of hope remains as the support in their life. Sita ji did not even know where Sri Ram was. She did not even know if he would reach her or not. Even if he found out, she did not know if he would be able to free her from this web of illusion Lanka is. But she had faith in her Ram. She had faith in his virtues, trust in his love, and confidence in his patience and dharma. Therefore, she remained waiting only for Sri Ram. निज पद नयन दिए मन, राम पद कमल लीन, परम दुखी भा पवन सुत, देख जान की दीन. Janaki Mata kept her eyes fixed on her own feet, bending down, and kept her heart tied to the feet of Sri Ram. When there is a lot of suffering, one can only manage and endure this suffering through sadhana. To avoid worrying about that environment around her, Sita ji kept her gaze down towards her own feet and her mind fixed at the sacred feet of Prabhu Sri Ram. Seeing this state of Mata Janaki, Pavansut Hanuman felt extremely sorrowful. So what lesson do we learn from today's Chaupai? That when a cloud of disbelief loom overhead, the light of faith alone can pave the way for you. Baba's Brahmagyan today is dedicated to all women. If you want to learn self-control, you should learn from Mata Sita. Even in Ashok Vatika, she remained in utmost self-control and sadhana. The truth is, women have made a significant contribution in preserving the culture of Bharat. You must have heard that in many families, men eat non-vegetarian food, but women do not. Nor do they allow it to enter in the house. Yes, some occasionally stray, but in society, they are still held in higher regard than ideal men. Otherwise, do you think this Chachi would easily agree?
मैंने पकड़ लिया था तुमको आज से नहीं करोगी, नहीं करोगी, हाँ नहीं खाओगी आज से निकालो निकालो नहीं जाने दूंगा निकालो नहीं तो मुझे हाँ कहोगी और बस चलो इसको फेंको, अब नहीं करोगी आगे, चलो लो चलो इधर आओ और अब इतनी दुखी मत देखो कि मैंने तुम्हारी सुपारी ले ली, चलो अब नहीं खाओगी ना।
मैंने तो इन चौपाइयों को आप तक पहुंचा दिया, इन्हें आगे बढ़ाने की अब है आपकी बारी। तो बोलो मंगल भवन मंगल हारी, द्रबहु सुदशरथ अजिर बिहारी।